Today we are cooking this delicious Nigerian assorted stew. If that sounds something interested, keep watching. For this recipe, I'm going to be using shaki and turkey, but I will start by seasoning the turkey, alright? I will add the shaki later on. I added some seasoning powder, some salt, curry powder, thyme, chili pepper. Just feel free to add any spices of your choice, alright? Once I added all the spices, I added some chopped onion as well and then I stir everything together. Cover the pot and allow the turkey to cook. If you needed to add water, please add water, alright? But at this point, I didn't need water. While it's cooking, I just open it and top up with water, alright? And continue to cook. I'll go ahead and add the shaki, stir everything together, cover the pot and continue to cook until they are well done. At this point, the shaki and the turkey they are well cooked. I'll go ahead and set it aside. If you want to fry it, go ahead and fry it. But I don't like to fry something, alright? I'm not going to fry it. In a pot, I added some oil and allow to heat up. Once it's heated up, I added some roughly blended onion and then I'll go ahead and add some locust beans and I will stir fry it for about 2 minutes on a low heat. At this point, the aroma in my kitchen is absolutely amazing. Do not skip this part, alright? You can add this part to any of your stew recipe. Trust me, guys, it always turn out so delicious. 2 minutes later, I went ahead and add my pepper mix. I have a video on how I prep and store this pepper. I'll put the link at the end of this video. Please check it out, alright? Once I add the pepper, I stir everything together, cover the pot and allow to cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. Back to the stew. The stew has been cooking for almost 10 minutes now. I go ahead and add the shaki, alright, and I added it with the stock, alright. I will stir everything together and continue to cook. At this point, the stew is almost done, but I needed to adjust my seasoning. I added a little bit of salt and some seasoning powder. I give it a quick stir and continue to cook until it's perfectly done. At this stage, the stew is perfectly cooked, alright? I just give it a final booster and that is it, guys. When the oil has settled on top, I know that the stew is ready, alright? The recipe is super simple but absolutely delicious, guys. I hope you guys like the recipe and if you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!